Which statement about the quadratic functions below is false? Okay, so we need to know the one that is false, okay? Let's look at our functions here. Negative 3/4 x squared plus 6, negative 3 over 4 x squared plus 6, negative 2x squared minus 5, 1 over 4 x squared plus 1. Okay, the first things we want to do is look if it opens up or down. And let's go ahead and let's graph these. I'm going to do this real quick. On this one right here, we know the y-intercept is 6. So I'm just going to go up here and put a 6. And the negative 3/4 means it opens down, doesn't it? So this graph is going to look like this, isn't it? Okay, let's go over here and do this one. Okay, so we draw our x and y axis. This one's going to cross at negative 5. And it's going to open down too, isn't it? So it's going to do this, isn't it? Notice this one would not have any roots, right? Would not have any zeros with it. Okay, and now then let's do this one. Let's do this one over here. Okay, we have 1 over 4x squared plus 1. Let's draw our x and y axis. It's going to cross the y axis at 1. And it's going to open up, isn't it? Because the x squared is positive. It's going to open up like this, isn't it? Okay, let's start at choice D. The graphs of all these functions have different y-intercepts. The y-intercept's negative 5, 6, and 1. That is true. The graphs of two of these functions do not cross the x-axis. This one crosses the x-axis, this one doesn't, and this one doesn't. That is also true. The graphs of all these functions, the graphs of two of these functions, the graphs of all these functions have the same axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry would be your y-axis, wouldn't it? That also is true. The graphs of two of these functions have a minimum point. This right here is a maximum point. This is a maximum point. And this right here is a minimum, isn't it? So this has a minimum point, but these two have maximums. This is saying two of them have minimums. That one is false. So the right answer is choice A.